Good evening, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. Congress has just released a very big update for millions of SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. Top lawmakers now want to send out an extra $2,400 Social Security checks to all eligible retirees. This additional aid would help many Americans as this crisis continues to affect our country. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn if you are going to receive larger stimulus payments very soon. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And the next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow.
Your vocal criticism of President Biden's record of attacking Social Security and Medicare is how I know you agree with me that spending cuts on these programs have no business being entertained here in the U.S. Senate. I'm glad we're talking about these programs today, and I want to thank you for holding this hearing today. Social Security is projected to run out in 12 or 13 years. Medicare Part A will begin to run out in just 4 years. Medicaid costs continue to skyrocket. It's becoming a bigger and bigger part of the federal budgets. It's clear that what we're doing is not working, so I think we all could agree it's time to act. I propose that Congress regularly review all these programs. Of course, some of my colleagues and some of the people testifying today have decided to lie about what I've been proposing. So let's be clear. I'm never going to support cuts to Social Security, Medicare, or Medicaid. And outside of Joe Biden, I don't know too many other folks in Washington that want to see these programs be cut or go away either. Some of the panelists may not know that Congress regularly reviews essential programs and functions of the federal government and should regularly review essential programs and functions of the federal government. As you know, we don't even vote on Social Security and on Medicare, which makes no sense. For 61 consecutive years, Congress has successfully passed the National Defense Authorization Act. The NDA sets the budget for the entire Department of Defense. It is a critical series of must-pass national security and defense budget laws that Congress has never failed to approve, not even once. Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid are no different. If we want these programs to survive and further to avoid any cuts to benefits, we need to act today. With that said, I have a few questions. Ms. McGinnis, while both trustee reports represent modest improvements from last year, this is mainly because of its outdated and unrealistic economic assumptions. For example, CRFB noted that the Social Security trustees projected a 3.8% cost of living.
There was a Social Security benefit cliff looming, with retirees seeing their checks garnished as soon as 2035. According to the latest federal Social Security report, the program has just enough funding to send out monthly checks to older Americans and those with disabilities for 13 years. Sadly, beyond that, a 20% reduction in benefits is needed for the program to be sustainable. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said in a statement on the Social Security report, in the coming decades, it will be vital for Congress to take the steps to put Social Security and Medicare on solid financial footing for the long term. Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders, alongside Senator Elizabeth Warren, and a group of other Democrats, are putting forward a plan to change that. The group's proposal is a bill that would increase the benefit by $2,400 a year and fully fund the program through the year 2096. To pay for it, the Democrats are proposing a raise to the earnings cap for paying into Social Security. Right now, Americans are only taxed on their first $147,000 in income to pay for Social Security. Earnings beyond that are not touched. According to an official fact sheet, Senator Bernie Sanders' Social Security Expansion Act would lift this cap and subject all income above $250,000 to the Social Security payroll tax. Raising the income threshold is not a new concept, and it's one that Senator Joe Manchin, who's a key centrist, has already expressed support for. Earlier this year, the Democrat from West Virginia said the payroll tax cap should be taken up to $400,000 to put Social Security in a more sustainable fiscal path. While Bernie Sanders' plan is one solution patching the popular program, Republicans indicated they would not draw their votes. They tend to resist tax increases to fund more generous safety net benefits, favoring other fixes. Senate Republican Lindsey Graham of South Carolina, who is a ranking member of the Senate Budget Committee, suggested in a congressional hearing that the program's retirement age would probably need to be raised. That is a step that Senator Mitt Romney has expressed support for earlier this year. Mitt Romney previously proposed the Trust Act. It is a bipartisan bill directed at helping fix Social Security and other ailing programs. Critics say that the legislation might end up cutting some benefits. Mitt Romney, a Republican from Utah, said during a Senate Budget Committee hearing, "Senator Sanders makes a wonderful plea, which many people agree with. That is the need for helping our seniors and providing better benefits for them and so forth." So friends, what are your thoughts on an additional $2,400 in benefits? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Now friends, Senator Bernie Sanders told reporters this week that the enthusiasm within the Democratic Party is extremely low and warned of low turnout from the party's base in this year's midterm elections. Senator Sanders argued that it is unlikely that the Democrats will clinch victories in the midterm elections. The Republicans stand an excellent chance of gaining control of the House and quite possibly the Senate. Democrats face significant headwinds to maintain their thin majorities in Congress in the midterm elections. It is a problem that has only been exacerbated by voters' concerns over high inflation. Inflation rates have soared to near 40-year highs in the wake of this crisis. Millions of Americans are feeling the financial squeeze at the gas pump and at the grocery store. Bernie Sanders has reiterated his long-publicized concern over the party's handling of the two of its centrists, Senator Joe Manchin and Kristen Sinema, who both have repeatedly opposed large components of President Biden's top domestic agenda items. So friends, what are your thoughts on the Democratic Party and the upcoming midterm elections? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the key word for this video is Magnolia. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos. And then comment below this keyword, which is Magnolia, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Well, my fantastic and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here daily. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.